Uh, Hello students. So this is the same question like the previous one. In the previous video, we had solved with the help of direct method, but now we're gonna solve it with the help of step deviation method. As we know, there are three methods of solving mean: direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. So this question we're gonna solve. We need to find the value of f over here, and mean is already given as 52 like the previous question, like the previous video. So we shall be given with the information of a class interval and frequency. We need to find out x, di, ti, then in the last product of f and t. So how are we gonna solve it? We shall have a look on this video on this question. So first we need to find the value of x just like the same previous video. We need to we had solved the value of x. We had taken out the value of x, and how we had taken it out. We just need to add these two limits, upper limit plus lower limit, and make it half. All right, just add these two limits, make it half. Add these two limits, make it half. All right, so there here is 20 plus 10, 30. Half of 30 is 15. 30 plus 20, 50. Half of 15, 25. 40 plus 30, 70. Half of 70, 35. All right. 50 plus 40, 90. Half of 90, 45. 60 plus 50, 110. Half of 110, 55. 70 plus 60, 130. Half of 130, 65. 80 plus 70 is 150. Half of 150 is 75. All right. So this is how we can calculate x. Now there's a new term, new variable, the value of which we have to find out, and that is di. So how we can find out di? So before di, you need to know what is a. A is the assumed mean. We need to find out the assumed mean. And how we can find out the assumed mean? We just have to take any of the value from the column of x. Mostly what we do, we pick up the mid value from the column of x. So mid value over here is 45, as you can see, and we can assume it as assumed mean. All right, because it's a mid value. Three values are above, three values are below, and mid value is 45. This is the case of odd observation, because the number of observation is over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in case of odd observation, you can easily find out the mid value. But in case of even observation, if it is given like 4, 6, 8, number of observation is like this, so you can assume any of the value from the mid or from above or below. There is no problem. You can assume any of the value as the assumed mean. So we had already assumed the value of assumed mean is 45 over here, because it's a mid. It lies in the between. So it lies in between. Now we need to find out di, and what is di? Di is equal to x minus a. So x minus a. What is x? X is over here is 15, and what was a? A was 45 that we had assumed. All right. So we just need to find out the difference. We just need to subtract it. So 15 minus 45, because 15 is x minus a. So x minus a, 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 x minus a. This is how we can find out. So 15 minus 45 minus 30, 25 minus 45 minus 20, 35 minus 45 minus 10, 45 minus 45 0, 55 minus 45 10, 65 minus 45 20, 75 minus 45 30. This is how we can find out the value of x. Now we need to find out the value of ti. So before doing this, we need to find out the value of di in order to find the value of ti. That's why we have calculated di firstly. After that, we can calculate the value of ti. All right. So in order to find the value of ti, what we're gonna do? We have to divide d by i. D by I, we have to divide. And what is I? I is the class size. Class size means the gapping of the two limits over here. The gapping, the difference of the two limits. What is the gap between these two limits? 10, because 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10, 40 minus 30, 10, 50 minus 40, 10, 60 minus 50, 10, 70 minus 60, 10, 80 minus 70, 10. This is the class size, the gapping of between the two limits. So I is 10. I is 10. Alright. So D divided by 10. What is D over here? We can divide correspondingly. Alright. So value of D over here is minus 30 divided by 10 minus 3. Minus 30 divided by 10 minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 minus 1. 0 divided by 10 0. 10 divided by 10 1. 20 divided by 10 2. 30 divided by 10 3. So this is how we can calculate the value of Ti. Now we need to find out Fi/Ti. That means the product of F and T. We need to find out the product of F and T. So in order to find out the product of F and T, what we need to do? We need to multiply. We need to multiply the value of F with the corresponding value of T. So just multiply, just take out the product. 5 multiplied by minus 3 minus 15. 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 6. F multiplied by minus 1. This is the variable term. So if F will be multiplied by negative integer, it will be minus F. Alright. Now 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 multiplied by sorry. 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12. 13 multiplied by 3, 39. Alright. So this is the value of F multiplied by T. These are the values. Now we gonna do, according to the formula, we need to find summation Fi/Ti and summation Fi. So no problem, summation means add. Just add the value of F over here, 36 plus F, like the previous video we have already added. So summation F will be 36 plus F, and over here just pay attention over here because there are positive as well as negative integers. So this you will add, and a whole number also. So you will first add the positive ones. Alright. So positive ones, 39 plus 12 plus 2. 39 plus 12 will be 51. 51 plus 2 will be 53. Now solve these negative integers. Calculate it. Minus 15 minus 6 will be minus 21. Just subtract from 53. Will give you the answer as 32. And minus F will be copied as it is. So this is summation Fi/Ti, that is 32 minus F. Put the values. What was the value of mean? Already given, 52 is equals summation assumed mean. Assumed mean was 45. So 45 plus summation Fi/Ti, the value of summation Fi/Ti 32 minus F upon 36 plus F multiplied by I, that is 10, class size or class height. Just transfer this 45 towards the left hand side, subtract it from 52, will give the answer as 7, and just leave this over the right hand side. Multiply this 32 minus F with 10 as I have done over here. Alright, upon 36 plus F. So you can cross multiply it because there are two fractions, and two fractions are opposite to each other with the equal sign. So in this type of situation, the best method or the best way to find out the value of F is cross multiplication. So just cross multiply it. 7 will be multiplied by 36 plus F equals 10 will be multiplied by 32 minus F. It will give you the answer as 320 minus 10F. Over here it will be 252 plus 7F. Just transfer all the variable terms towards the left hand side, and transfer all the constant term towards the right hand side. Not all the, there is only one variable term and one constant term, so you can transfer it accordingly. So 7F will be there, and this minus 10F will be transferred from right to left. The sign of minus 10F will be changed from minus to plus. 7f plus 10f equals 320 minus 252, because 252 was in positive towards the right, left hand side. It will be transferred from left to right, it will be converted into negative. So 17f is equal to 320 minus 252, 68. Now we will divide 68 by 7, will give you the answer as 4. So the value of f will be 4. This is how you can solve with the help of step deviation method. I hope you understood this video. If you understood, make sure to like and share this video to all your friends. Alright, so thank you for giving me precious time.